How to find Bitget wallet address. In order to do it, you need to make sure that you have already downloaded and installed Bitget wallet application in your device, because Bitget exchange application and the Bitget wallet application are different. Now you need to open your Bitget wallet application, and here on the home page you will be able to see the deposit option. So tap on the deposit option, then it will show you bunch of different options like deposit, digital assets, buy crypto, P2P trading. So among these you need to tap on the receive option in the deposit digital assets. After tapping on receiving, it will ask you to select the network. By default here you have the Ethereum network, but if you want to switch to any other networks, then you need to tap on the Ethereum. Here you will be able to see all of the networks, so you just have to select any of these of your choice. Let's say I want to select Solana, so after selecting Solana it will show you all of the cryptocurrencies. So you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to transfer or withdraw. Let's say you want to transfer USDT, that would be on the Solana network. After tapping on it, it will show you your QR code as well as the deposit address, which is basically your wallet address which you can use in order to deposit or receive your cryptos in your Bitget wallet. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.